The Samsonite Freeform Hardside revolutionized carry-on travel with its sleek, modern design combining lightweight durability with maximized interior space, measuring 21.5 inches length by 14.5 inches width by 9 inches height, meeting most domestic airline carry-on requirements while weighing just 5.7 pounds. The innovative ultralight polypropylene construction absorbs impact while resisting cracking, providing excellent protection despite typical airport handling while maintaining exceptional portability through crowded terminals and connecting corridors. The dual 360-degree spinner wheels enable fluid navigation across diverse surfaces, smoothly gliding through airport terminals while reducing physical exertion compared to traditional wheel designs. We share by links in description box. The integrated TSA-approved recessed lock eliminates separate lock requirements. Simply clip zipper pulls into place and set personalized 3-digit combination for convenient security. The clamshell opening provides complete access to divided interior compartments featuring adjustable cross straps securing contents and preventing shifting during transit. The spacious interior includes two approximately equal-sized storage compartments, zippered modesty pocket for discretionary items, and small zippered spine pocket for quick access essentials. The textured exterior reduces scratch visibility while providing functional grip surfaces during manual manipulation and lifting. The push-button locking handle adjusts to 4 preset lengths, enabling customization for diverse user heights and comfortable operation. The expandable design adds 1-inch additional capacity when needed for last-minute purchases or souvenirs without compromising airline carry-on compliance. The multiple color options accommodate aesthetic preferences from conservative blacks through bold jewel tones. The comprehensive 10-year limited warranty demonstrates manufacturer confidence in product longevity and quality craftsmanship. The exceptional value combines elegant design, practical organization, protective durability, and lightweight portability, making this luggage ideal for business travelers, weekend getaways, and anyone seeking reliable, hassle-free carry-on solutions.